Now practice set 3.3. In figure, points G, D, E, F are concyclic points of a circle with center C. Angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Measure of arc DGF is equal to 200 degree. Find measure of arc DE and measure of arc DEF. Given point D, E, F and G lie on the circle with center C. Angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Measure of arc DGF is equal to 200 degree. Find the measure of arc DE and measure of arc DEF. Here given that angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Now use the definition of central angle. Angle ECF is the central angle of the minor arc EF. Therefore, we find the measure of arc EF by using definition of central angle. Therefore, measure of arc EF is equal to measure of angle ECF by definition of central angle. Therefore, measure of arc EF is equal to 70 degree because measure of angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Put this value angle ECF is equal to 70 degree in this place. Therefore, measure of arc EF is equal to 70 degree. Now, use the property of angular measure of the circle is 360 degree. Therefore, measure of arc DGF plus measure of arc EF plus measure of arc DE is equal to 360 degree because angular measure of circle is 360 degree. We know that आपल्या सर्वांना माहिती आहे सर्कलचं जे वर्तुळाचं अँग्युलर मेजर आहे हे किती असतं टोटल 360 डिग्री. मग आपण हे जे आर्क आहेत DGF फर्स्ट आर्क, सेकंड आर्क EF and थर्ड आर्क इज D, या तिघांची बेरीज जर केली तर तिघांची बेरीज किती येणार आहे 360 डिग्री. तीच प्रॉपर्टी आपण इथं लिहिलेली आहे. Therefore, measure of arc DGF plus measure of arc EF plus measure of arc D is equal to 360 degree. आता याच्यात DGF ची व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला दिलेली आहे गिवन मध्ये. त्याच्यानंतर EF ची व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड आउट केलेली आहे. या दोघी व्हॅल्यू पुट करा आणि आर्क DE ची व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही फाइंड आउट करू शकता. Therefore, we put the value of measure of arc DGF. Its value is 200 degree. Measure of arc EF that is 70 degree. And measure of arc D to find the value is equal to 360 degree. 200 degree plus 70 that is 270 plus measure of arc D is equal to 360. Therefore, measure of arc DE is equal to 360 degree minus 270 degree. Therefore, measure of arc DE is equal to 90 degree. वजाबाकी केली 360 मधून 270 वजा करा किती उरतील तुमच्या 90. Therefore, measure of arc DE is equal to 90 degree. Now next find measure of arc DEF. Now measure of arc DEF. Now use the arc addition of the arc, that is arc D plus arc EF, and we get the value of measure of arc DEF. Therefore, measure of arc DEF is equal to measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF because arc addition postulates. Therefore, put the value of measure of arc D that is 90 degree, measure of arc EF that is 70 degree is equal to 90 plus 70, that is 160 degree. Therefore, measure of arc DEF is equal to 160 degree. In this way, we solve this example. Now, question number 3. In figure, chord AB congruent chord CD. To prove that arc AC congruent to arc BD, that is arc AC congruent to arc BD, to prove it. Therefore, now given that chord AB is congruent to chord CD, these two chords are congruent, then we know that if chords are congruent, then their corresponding arcs are also congruent, that is arc ACB is congruent to arc CBD. Now use this property and solve this example. Therefore, chord AB congruent chord CD. Therefore, arc ACB is congruent to arc CBD because corresponding arcs of congruent chords. Now, find the measure of arc ACB. Measure of arc ACB, that is measure of arc AC plus measure of arc CB. Again, measure of arc CBD, that is measure of arc CB plus measure of arc BD. Now use arc addition postulates. Here, arc ACB congruent to arc CBD, then the measure of these two arcs are equal. Therefore, we say that measure of arc ACB is equal to measure of arc CBD. This is equation first. Now write the measure of arc ACB. Measure of arc ACB, that is write their sums, that is measure of arc AC plus measure of arc CB. Measure of arc AC plus measure of arc CB. Similarly, measure of arc CBD is equal to therefore measure of arc CBD is equal to measure of arc CB plus measure of arc BD. Now put these two values 2 and 3 in equation first. या दोघं ज्या किमती आहेत आपण आर्क ACB आणि आर्क CBD या दोघं किमती आपण इक्वेशन नंबर 1 मध्ये टाकू. आता ह्या ज्या किमती आहेत 2 आणि 3 च्या इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये टाकलं. ACB म्हणजेच काय, मेजर ऑफ आर्क AC प्लस मेजर ऑफ आर्क CB. सेकंड इज इक्वल टू मेजर ऑफ आर्क CBD ची व्हॅल्यू याच्यावरून घेतली इक्वेशन 3 वरून. मेजर ऑफ आर्क CB प्लस मेजर ऑफ आर्क BD. आता ह्या इक्वेशनचं तुम्ही जर तुलना जर केली तर इथं मेजर ऑफ आर्क CB मेजर ऑफ आर्क CB दोघी बाजूला आले. देअरफॉर तुम्ही जर याची साईड चेंज केली, याला राईट हँड साईडला आणलं तर तो मायनस होईल, म्हणजेच आर्क CB मायनस मेजर ऑफ आर्क CB तो काय होईल, कॅन्सल होईल. म्हणजेच तुम्हाला लिहिता येईल मेजर ऑफ आर्क AC इज इक्वल टू measure of arc BD. Now here if measure of two arcs are equal then they are congruent. Therefore we say that arc AC is congruent to arc BD. Hence we prove that measure of arc AC is congruent to measure of arc BD.